Greetings! Today I am testing out the new Hybrid Solutions Pro items from the 2022 range from Turtle Wax. And specifically, these are the two items. So, if you saw the reveal video, the unboxing video of the 2022 range from Turtle Wax, you will have seen these two items. These are the two items that are Hybrid Solutions Pro, the Slick and Slide Pure Wash and the Rapid Decon All Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover. So, I am going to be testing these two items today. Normally, I would integrate the other items as well and combine them to get the ultimate clean and detailing experience, but for the purposes of this video I want to test these items in isolation and then I will combine them going forward in the future. Essentially what we are going to be doing then today is a fairly quick maintenance wash. We are going to start off with the Rapid Decon. We're going to get that onto our wheels and then we will move on to the Slick and Slide. Now this Slick and Slide is really cool because we can put it into our foam sprayer, use it as a snow foam, so we will do that. We'll get it all over the car in foam format, making that cherry milkshake that I've talked about a bunch of times before. And then I will get the buckets out, we'll do a contact clean, then we'll rinse it all off, give it a dry, and see how these items have performed. Before we begin, I'll just get in like nice and close and show you the road grime and dirt and what have you that has built up on the car. I mean, it's not like super duper terrible, but you know, it has been pretty muddy and salty even. We've had all kinds of extreme sort of weather in this winter period so far. I mean, ultimately, if I step back a bit, it's not looking too bad at all, but there is a little bit of dirt stuck to the surface. Now, with our winter prep, it should come off reasonably easy, but yeah, that is kind of where we're at in terms of the level of dirt and grime. So let's get started. Okay, first thing, I'm just getting some prep done. So we'll start off with prepping our bucket. So we've got a nice seal on here. Alright, so Turtle Wax say for your bucket, your contact wash, 2 caps and you're good to go. 1, 2. Nice and easy, not needing too much. And I gotta say, the sniff test on this is fantastic. It smells like some kind of like tropical fruit. It's really, really nice, and it has a really cool sort of pinky red color to it. So yeah, now I'm going to put some water in this. I'm not going to fill it all the way up. I'm just going to like get some water in it, and then once we are ready to actually do the contact clean, I will hit it with the pressure washer just to get it like super lathery and foamy. Alright, I've moved in here to where I have a tap, and I'm just going to throw some warm water in here just because it is still the middle of winter. I mean, we have reasonably okay temperatures today, which is why today is a decent day to do this. But, you know, just to save our hands, you know, just get a little bit of warm water in here, which will then, like I said, top up with our pressure washer. You can see, even just with like that regular pressured water, it's already like foaming up and like lots of big bubbles already, which is really cool. That is part of the appeal of this new product. Okay, cool, so I will set this to the side, and then next I will prep our snow foam. So they say for snow foam, you want to do it 100 mils to a litre of water. So that's pretty standard, like, you know, 10% dilution for snow foam. It's pretty normal. Just get the product up to here, and then the rest with warm water. Warm water works best for snow foam. Alright, so that is about 100 mils. So as I said, warm water. Alright, that's pretty much the prep done, so now we can get our first product on. Okay, with our Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon All Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover, first thing we have to do is shake it really well. Okay, now we're ready to go. We have it in the spray position, of course, so all we really need to do, very simply, just get a really good spray across the entire surface of the wheel and tyre. And the one thing that's going to be really interesting about this is how does it smell, because of course iron removers are typically, they smell pretty bad, but Turtle Wax say that they have worked out how to get around that and still have the same level of performance. So let's see. So the action of the spray is fantastic. It gives a really wide, you can sort of see how wide the spray is, and it really doesn't smell that bad. You know, it's certainly, you can kind of get a bit of a hint of that, you know, traditional like iron remover like smell, but it actually, like, it does definitely smell like they have done something to like mask it. It doesn't smell like it's, you know, gonna make me gag or anything. So that is actually a really positive improvement. And I have to say, immediately, I don't know if you can see in there, we've got that purpleness already, that reaction starting. So it is clearly working immediately. So yeah, that's pretty cool so far. Now I'll just run around and get this on the rest of the wheels. So yeah, it definitely looks like it is working so far and working very quickly. Of course, Turtle Wax do refer to it as rapid decon, so it is working faster than you might normally expect a regular, like, other brand of iron fallout remover to work, and that is absolutely awesome. It definitely seems to be doing the job very, very quickly. Like, it's been like about a minute, so we only need to really, according to the instructions, wait for another couple of minutes and we can move straight on to the next stage, which will be getting the snow foam over the entirety of the car. There we are, that is the snow foam on, and I gotta say, it is beautifully thick. Look at that. So the dilution that they suggested was pretty bang on, and it seems to be clinging very, very nicely. So yeah, it works really well as a snow foam, it would seem. And you can see we've got our cherry milkshake thing going with all that lovely dirt coming flying right off of those wheels. So yeah, we just got to let that dwell, and then we will come back and rinse it all off in preparation for our contact clean. While we are waiting for the dwell to finish on the foam, like I said, we are going to get the pressure washer into our wash bucket, which we've already got a little bit of water in, so let's go. You can see just how like lathery it is. Like, that is, it's like milk or cream, you know. It's really, really nice, which is of course one of the things that the community asked for in this product. So I'd say we are pretty much ready to go, and the dwell is pretty much finished on the foam, so let's get that rinsed off. Before I do, I just want to make another point about just how much dirt and how effective the rapid decon mixed with the foam is. Just so much dirt coming off the wheels, it's awesome. And there's even more from that one. So yeah, everything is just working really, really well so far, exactly as advertised. Okay, we are looking good so far, so now onto our contact wash. 2-bucket method, of course. We have the bucket that I just got all nice and lathery, and then I have my second bucket right here, which is just water for rinsing. Okay, here we go then. So into our cleaning solution, which as you can see is super duper foamed up, really nice and lathery. So let's just see how it feels. So yes, as it is called slick and slide, you would expect it to feel quite slick and to slide real nice, and that is exactly my experience right now. It feels absolutely lovely. You can see the nice sort of suddiness, so you can really get the feeling that it is there and doing its job. And of course, it's not going to affect any of our coatings. It's not going to affect our base coating. It's not going to affect our winter prep coatings. And it's just going to give us a real nice clean. And yeah, so far so good. It feels real nice. So that is the first section done. Did the roof, windscreen and the front end, and we are looking absolutely fantastic. Just got to finish the rest of the car in the exact same way, do the wheels last, and then give it a nice dry with our favourite drying towel. Well, there we go then. That is our mid-winter maintenance wash quick detail done on the RS using the new 2022 Hybrid Solutions Pro items, and I gotta say, I am very, very impressed with the results. Both items do exactly what they claim to do on the packaging. The rapid wheel cleaner really does work rapidly. You could see it turning purple almost instantly, and like they say on the package, 2 to 4 minutes, and it's done its job compared to other things on the market that can take like 15 minutes. So that is absolutely fantastic, and that is one of the highlights of doing this, especially in the middle of winter. We just happen to get a little bit of decent weather to do a little bit of detailing, so we need it to work reasonably quickly. And then the other product, the Pure Wash, the Slick and Slide Polymer Pure Wash, does exactly what it says. It is really nice and slick. It foams really well, and it's so versatile. Being able to use it as a snow foam and in our buckets for our contact clean, it just makes the whole process that little bit easier and more convenient, and just having one product that does more than one thing, and it does both of those things really well. You could see our little cherry milkshake along with the rapid wheel cleaner just stripping that dirt right off, and we know that they are safe for our coatings. They'll strip the dirt, but they won't strip our ceramic or graphene coatings, which is another big bonus. So I would say as well, I mean, just look at it, the results really do speak for themselves. And of course, I would encourage you to go and try them out for yourself. And if you do jump over to the Turtle Wax website, make sure that you use code AdamRainey15 and you will get a nice little discount, and you can try them out for yourself and see just how good they are. And of course, there are a bunch more products to test out. I've got at least 2 more videos for the 2022 range, and I'm very much looking forward to them if they are as good as this, which I have no doubt they will be. So I hope you're looking forward to that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.